President Tsai Ing-wen today visited Mytrex Health Technologies, where the fabric for half of Taiwan's homemade surgical masks is produced. She thanked the firm for refusing foreign orders of melt-blown non-woven fabric in order to secure Taiwan's supply. Mask production has already surpassed 10 million a day, but the president says she hopes to reach a new record of 20 million.
A Mytrex employee drew this portrait of the president on this strip of non-woven fabric. Taiwan public health is #1, says the cartoon. Mytrex CEO Fred Yang gave it as a gift to the president.
There are many orders coming in from abroad and many requests with very good conditions attached. But Mytrex is putting the nation first. So I thank the whole Mytrex team. The Premier and I both think it's incredible that their daily production of masks has reached 10 million. But we were aiming for 15 million, and now we must push for 20 million. I want to tell the President that there is nothing to worry about concerning our material stocks. We have a kiloton of materials already in store from March to June, which can produce at least 1 billion masks, perhaps 1.2 billion.
Melt-blown non-woven fabric is the key material for surgical masks. Mytrex produces more than half the non-woven fabric needed in Taiwan. The president has promised to keep buying Taiwan-made fabrics, but manufacturers are concerned about keeping production capacity up.
It will not be enough to only buy made-in-Taiwan masks. Taiwanese manufacturers may import slightly substandard melt-blown fabric. We ask the government to publish standard specifications of each material and establish a tracing system to help find out who is producing substandard material. The high standard of the Taiwanese production line must be maintained by everyone who produces these masks, the whole team. We must also reappraise the needs of our public departments.
Taiwan's swift mobilization against the epidemic won global praise. With countries lining up to work with Taiwan on public health, some have suggested it's a chance for pandemic diplomacy.
Regarding pandemic diplomacy, I think we should instead be talking about pandemic collaboration. We can have a mutual exchange of necessary goods with other countries. We can be partners and mutually strengthen our capacity to deal with the disease.
The president was keen to avoid the sensitive topic of diplomacy, instead emphasizing the need to work with other nations to get through the crisis.